So, you want to earn some passive income with Amazon, but just getting signed up feels like this huge, confusing first step. What if I told you that in the next few minutes, we can walk through the entire Amazon Associates sign-up process together, step by step? We'll get you from zero to fully approved and ready to start earning. Let's get it done. In this video, I will walk you through the complete Amazon Associates setup process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start your Amazon Associates business. Let's be real, the Amazon Associates program is one of the biggest affiliate games in town for a reason. It lets you, as a content creator, blogger, or publisher, make money from your traffic. When your audience buys products you recommend on Amazon, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You don't have to touch a single product, worry about inventory, or deal with shipping. Your job is to sign up, recommend cool stuff using a special link, and earn cash. Now, you can earn commissions on qualifying purchases, and while some categories like Amazon Games or luxury beauty can be high, it's important to know that most rates are lower and they vary a lot by product category. For instance, grocery items might be around 1%, while home improvement could be 3%, and some digital products even higher. Some high-ticket items like fine art even have a commission cap, so you'll earn a maximum of $200 for that one item, no matter the price. So today, we're going to tackle that first, most crucial step together, getting you signed up. Before we dive in, you'll need two things. First, an active platform. This could be a website, a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media page like Instagram or Facebook. Amazon wants to see you have an established presence with original content. While there's no magic number, a good starting point for a website is having around 10-15 quality recent posts. For social media, an engaged following of about 500 people is a solid benchmark. Second, have your personal details ready. Name, address, phone number, and later on your tax and payment info. Got all that? Awesome. Let's get you signed up. Step 1. Finding the Amazon Associates page. First things first, open your web browser. The quickest way to get there is to just type Amazon Associates into your search engine. The official site is affiliateprogram.amazon.com, and you'll want to click the link that takes you straight to the source. That's your front door. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a big sign up button. You can't miss it. Go ahead and click it. Step 2. Creating your account. After you hit sign up, Amazon will ask you to either log in with your normal shopping account or create a new one. If you already use Amazon, feel free to use that same login. If you'd rather keep your business and personal accounts separate, just click Create your Amazon account. You'll go through the usual steps: name, email, and a new password. Amazon will then ping your email with a one-time password to make sure it's really you. Just pop over to your inbox, copy that code, paste it in, and you're good to go. They might do the same for your phone number. It's a quick but important security check. Step 3. Entering your account information. Okay, now we're in the main application. First up is your account information. This is where you put in the payee details. That's the name, address, and phone number of the person or business receiving the payments. You really want to double check that this info is spot on because it needs to match your bank details later. Most of you will just select the option, the payee listed above is the main contact for this account. If you're part of a bigger team where someone else handles the money, you'd choose the other option. Once you're done, hit Next. Step 4. Adding your website and mobile app information. This is a huge step in the application. On this page, you have to show Amazon where you'll be promoting their products. You'll see two boxes, one for websites and one for mobile apps. You have to fill in at least one URL. Go to your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile, copy the full URL from the address bar, and paste it into the Enter Your Website box. Click Add. You can add up to 50 different sites or social profiles here, so if you have a blog and a YouTube channel, add both. And remember, a real person at Amazon will review these. They need to be live, active, and filled with your own original content. A website that's half-built or a TikTok profile with 0 posts will almost certainly get you rejected. When you've added all your platforms, click Next. Step 5. Completing your profile. Next up, let's build out your profile. This is where you give Amazon the bigger picture of what you're all about. First, pick a preferred associate store ID. This is a unique name that becomes part of your affiliate links. Then, in the What are your websites or mobile apps about box, give a short and sweet description of your content. Are you a food blogger, a tech reviewer, a fashion influencer? Let them know. Next, you'll tackle a few drop-down menus. Pick the primary and secondary topics that best fit your content, like home and garden or electronics. Just be honest about what you plan to promote. Then, tick the boxes for the types of Amazon products you want to feature. Finally, you'll tell them how you get traffic, social media, blogs, and then complete a quick CAPTCHA, agree to the operating agreement, and click Finish. And speaking of the agreement, there's a key rule you have to follow. You must clearly state, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases on your site. This isn't optional, it's a requirement for being in the program, so make sure that disclosure is visible on any page where you use affiliate links. Step 6. Provisional approval and the 180-day rule. Congratulations! After clicking Finish, you'll get a message that your application has been received. You now have what's called conditional or provisional approval. But, and this is super important, you are not fully approved yet. You now have a 180-day window to make at least 3 qualifying sales through your affiliate links. If you don't hit that number, your account will likely be closed, and you'll have to reapply. And what's a qualifying sale? A legitimate purchase from someone who clicked your link. Crucially, purchases you make through your own links do not count. Amazon is smart, they track credit cards and addresses to prevent this, so don't even try it. Step 7. Setting up payment and tax information. Before you can get paid, you have to give Amazon your payment and tax details. You'll see a prompt for this on your dashboard. It's best to get this out of the way now. You'll be guided through a tax interview, which is usually a W-9 form for U.S. residents. Just follow the on-screen steps and add your digital signature. Next, set up your payment method. You can choose direct deposit, an Amazon gift card, or a check. Direct deposit is often the easiest, with a minimum payout of just $10. One thing to keep in mind is the payment schedule. Amazon pays out monthly, but it's on a net 60 basis, meaning you'll get paid about 60 days after the end of the month in which you earned the money. So, your January earnings will typically arrive at the end of March. Once that's all submitted, you're officially ready to create affiliate links. Step 8. The power of SiteStripe. So, how do you actually make the links? The easiest way by far is a tool called SiteStripe. It's a toolbar that appears at the top of every Amazon page once you're logged into your associate's account. If you don't see it, head to your associate's central dashboard, go to Tools, then SiteStripe, and make sure it's turned on. Now, anytime you find a product you want to recommend, that SiteStripe bar is your best friend. Just click Get Link, and then Text, to get a short, clean, affiliate link with your ID baked right in. Copy that, and you can paste it into your blog posts, YouTube descriptions, or anywhere else. You can also create links with images. It's an incredibly handy tool. Step 9. Going global with one link. Here's a pro tip many beginners miss. What happens if someone from another country clicks your link? By default, a US affiliate link only earns you money on that specific site. If a follower from the UK or Canada buys, you get 0. That's where OneLink saves the day. OneLink is a feature that automatically sends your international visitors to their local Amazon store. If someone from the UK clicks, they land on amazon.co.uk, and you still get the commission. To get this working, you first have to sign up for the Associates program in each country you want to earn from, like the UK, Canada, or Germany. Yep, that means doing the application process a few more times. Once you're approved, go back to your main US dashboard, find Tools, then OneLink, and you can link your different international accounts together. It's a bit of extra work, but it means you're not leaving money on the table. And there you have it. You've gone from scratch to having a functional Amazon Associates account, ready to create links and start earning. You've tackled the application, set up your payment info, and even learned how to use SiteStripe and OneLink. Okay, so you're all set up, now what? The next big step is to start placing those links in great content and get those first 3 sales. To help you do just that, my next video will break down the best strategies for getting your first commissions and locking in your full approval. If this guide was helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. I know starting with affiliate marketing can feel like a lot, but as you just saw, it's really just a series of small, doable steps. You've officially cleared the first major hurdle. Now the real fun begins, creating awesome content for your audience that also happens to generate income for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.